Hey guys, it's Denise from lehia.com, and on this video I want to talk to you about your questions and how I intend to answer those. Alright, so I get a lot of questions on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, my email, my website, everywhere. And I can't always answer all of them, but some of them are extremely helpful, not just to that individual, but many of you guys. And so I had last year started a series called Chats, and the intent was to address not just questions and issues, but just everything outside of patterns, projects, and tips. And I actually stopped doing the chats because I didn't get a really good response. In fact, I found that I was losing a lot of subscribers during those videos, and so I decided that I wasn't going to do them anymore. But I continue to have a lot of questions from you guys, and I don't want to neglect those of you that are engaged and that have questions and need answers. I thought, okay, best thing to do is just to do videos about certain questions. So I'm going to do a test run of this series, and I'm going to do them on Tuesdays because Vicky Howell has this series called Ask Me Monday, which I thought it was really cool. The name went well. It sounded good. And I thought, okay, how do I use that kind of, let me call it something. And so I figured I'll call mine, I'll tell you Tuesday. You know, me, Monday, tell Tuesday. So, okay, it might be goofy, but then I'm goofy. So what I'm going to do is take some of the questions you guys leave me in the comment section here, and a few questions that are constant throughout all of the different platforms, and I'll answer them on Tuesdays on Facebook and YouTube. So the same video that will be here will also be on Facebook, and so you can see it directly. It depends on, you know, what you guys like to use. I'm going to start by doing that January and February, and if it goes well, then I'll continue after that. But for now, it'll be, God willing, on Tuesdays in January and February. We want to do questions that are more broad instead of very specific. So if you have a question about a specific stitch, like say you want to know something more about my next stitch, which I'm gonna make a hat for, which is the Chinese wave stitch. So of course I'm working in the round, but you want to know how to make that stitch flat. Okay, so that is a very specific question, and that's not really what I'm going to try to address. I'm going to address things more broadly. So that question would be more like, what happens when I take a stitch that I have flat and I want to do it in the round? That's more of a broad question, and that's more of the type of question that I plan to answer. Hope that makes sense. So any suggestions that you have, like I said, by all means, please put it in the comment section. Let's help each other out. You should feel free not just to talk to me, but talk to the folks in the comment sections. If you see a question there and you want to answer right away, go ahead and answer the question right away if you know the answer to it. Listen, I don't have all the answers, and there sometimes is more than one answer to one question. I mean, for instance, if you ask about the knit stitch, there are several answers to how to do the knit stitch. How do I do the knit stitch? There's several answers to that question. So if you have a different answer to the question than the answer that I had, then yeah, put it in the comment section so we can all know that there's another answer to that question. That would be awesome. Again, it is the I'll tell you on Tuesday. No, wait. No, it's I'll tell you Tuesday here, wherever you're watching, whether it's Facebook or YouTube, answering your questions. Ask away. Bye, guys. See you on Tuesday.